everyone. We are back with another edition of a Credence Data Bytes series. I am your host Mosam, and in today's episode, we bring to you a weekly roundup of awe-inspiring stories. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. From Microsoft joining hands with Python to AI's influence on the job market, and lots more. Stay tuned and keep watching this video. Microsoft elevates Excel with Python power. In a groundbreaking development, Microsoft has unveiled a game-changing feature for Excel users. Now you can seemingly run the Python code from within Microsoft Excel. Python, renowned as the premier coding language for artificial intelligence, meets Excel, the backbone of countless businesses worldwide. This update empowers users to leverage Python's formidable data libraries to conduct queries, craft stunning graphs, and analyze Excel data all without leaving the Excel interface. The key to this integration is the Py command, granting effortless access to a plethora of Python libraries. Plus, tackling a significant Python challenge, Microsoft has teamed up with Anaconda, ensuring a standardized Python environment right within Excel. However, here's the catch. Your Python code will execute in Microsoft's cloud, potentially limiting some user control. OpenAI's ChatGPT's fine-tuning unleashed. OpenAI has eagerly launched the much-awaited fine-tuning feature for ChatGPT, with GPT's fine-tuning on the horizon for later this year. This innovation empowers users to personalize their own versions of ChatGPT, marking a significant leap forward. With open source models have allowed fine-tuning before, the closed source nature of ChatGPT now permits tailoring models to specific use cases. This advancement brings forth the system for evaluating the quality of responses capability, dependable output formatting, and notably the ability to input custom tones. Meta's disruptive code Llama. Meta, formerly Facebook, is causing a stir with its upcoming launch of Code Llama. This fine-tuning coding solution based on Llama 2 takes aim at coding assistance from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Emulating Microsoft's strategy, Meta leverages competitors' strength through open source model releases. Healthcare milestone. Healthcare takes a leap as FDA clears AI-powered software for detecting chest X-ray anomalies. AI's exceptional medical image interpretation capabilities promise enhanced diagnosis, reduced medical fatigue, and cost-effective imaging. The synergy between AI and medical expertise holds potential to reshape healthcare practices. AI and healthcare unite to redefine the norms. Meta envisions AI's collaborations with medical experts for dual validation, enhancing radiology, alleviating burnout, and optimizing image costing. This alliance showcases AI's global potential to revolutionize healthcare dynamics. AI reshaping the business landscape. NVIDIA's soaring Q2 performance. NVIDIA's Q2 earnings take flight, soaring their stock to astonishing heights. With a remarkable 100% revenue increase from last year, their AI chip demands fuels the surge. Witness NVIDIA's ascent to the ranks of world's top 5 valuable companies. AI's influence on the job market. LinkedIn reveals a jaw-dropping 21x surge in ChatGPT-related jobs since November. While AI jobs concerns linger, history teaches us that technological shifts foster new job opportunities. AI's financial horizon. Goldman Sachs paints an exciting future. Global AI investments could reach nearly $200 billion by 2025. The question remains, how much of this investment would contribute to AI giants like NVIDIA? Well, That's a wrap up this week's AI news. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. Until next time, keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. I will see you soon.